can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. Today, the market is red with extreme levels of fear in the cryptocurrency market. This is one of the lowest levels we have seen for the crypto fear and greed index. Right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance still sits at 58%. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has dumped to as low as $65,000. For Ethereum currently trades below $1,900. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, has gone to as low as $1,865. With all coins dumping, with extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, is this times to still be accumulating? We'll take a look at the altcoin season index. We'll talk about the meme coin market, also about liquidations. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The cryptocurrency market is still facing hard times. Over the last 7 days, we've seen big dumps in the cryptocurrency market. On a monthly time frame, a lot of these tokens are down bad. We just have kites, DCE, Pippin, stable, Morphe on a hype in the positive. Majority of all coins are in the negative 30 to 40%. And various stories taking over the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin back to record fierce levels as it wipes weekend's gain. Bitcoin plunged to over $3,000 in 2 hours, while the crypto fear and greed index has slumped to historic low. I've seen Bitcoin return back to the $65,000 level. Remember, earlier in the year, we saw Bitcoin dumping to as low as $60,000. The last few months has been crazy in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen Bitcoin go from a record high of $126,000 on the 6th of October 2025. Bitcoin has dumped back down to Goblin Town, losing 52% of its value in just around 124 days. Now, there's levels of extreme fear that we have only been seeing the depth of a bear market. That's what we're seeing right now in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared to the teeth. Remember the mantra, guys. We're trying to buy extreme fear and we're trying to sell extreme greed. We're trying to buy when the prices are low and we're trying to sell when the prices are high. There's a direct correlation between buying when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market and buying when the prices are low. Which begs the $1,000,000 question: is the bottom in already for Bitcoin at $60,000, or are we heading back towards $60,000, maybe to set new lows? Because right now, the vibes in the cryptocurrency market is down. Market participants are scared. The general sentiment is that probably, just probably, we are going to be dumping to Goblin Town. But I raise you guys, there's always that retracement rally that can take us back to the 50-week moving average. The 50-week moving average for Bitcoin currently sits around $99,000. So if Bitcoin is going to make a reversal, we should expect around a 51% move to the upside. And knowing how volatile emotions can get in the cryptocurrency market, knowing how volatile sentiment can get, if Bitcoin makes a U-turn right here, that will see a lot of FOMO in the markets, and I'm betting on Bitcoin making a U-turn, the altcoin market seeing more shines than Bitcoin, because right now Bitcoin dominance just feels like it's on the edge. I expect there to be a bounce in the cryptocurrency market, and then we see Bitcoin dominance dumping to Goblin Town. The alternative reality is that we see Bitcoin maybe still dumping and Bitcoin dominance increasing maybe back to 61%. But I favor the theory that says we'll see Bitcoin dominance dumping. And with Bitcoin dominance dumping, we see a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market pumping. Now, the biggest altcoins in the cryptocurrency market is ETH, Ethereum. Ethereum 2 went to an all-time high in August of 2025. Since then, we've seen Ethereum lose around 62% of its value in the process. It was down 64% when Bitcoin went to $60,000. Ethereum went back to $1,732. But guys, if you notice something important, we have seen Bitcoin set new lows. Bitcoin has gone below its April 7th, 2025 lows. We're seeing Ethereum still holding that price. Ethereum has not gone below $1,300 for Bitcoin. On the 7th of April 2025, Bitcoin was trading around $74,000. So that means right now, Bitcoin is performing poorly more than Ethereum. So if you look at Bitcoin Ethereum ratio in the cryptocurrency market, it tells us that Ethereum is making grounds on Bitcoin from where it was in April of 2025. Ethereum right now has outperformed Bitcoin by around 62%. I would expect the next few months, the next few weeks, as smart players right now are scooping the deep. Who knows how this dump can go? But one thing is sure, guys, anytime we have historic level of extreme fear like this, in the hindsight has always been a good time to buy. And right now, with Bitcoin at $64,000, Ethereum at $1,800, and all of these altcoins not near their lows, but based on recent price performance, a lot of market participants expected them to be higher. Don't be shocked, guys, to see us have that rally. Maybe middle of this year, maybe from any time now, but one thing is sure, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. I remember in April of 2025, market participants were scared, thinking Ethereum just continued dumping against Bitcoin. And we saw a reversal. We saw Ethereum making a big move to the upside of around 135% against Bitcoin in just 120 days. Now we have actually been dumping. We have seen Ethereum lose value against Bitcoin since it set that all-time high in August of 2025. Since then, Ethereum has actually dumped by 33% against Bitcoin. But you have to look at the bigger picture, guys. After the dump comes the pump, and when the pump comes, you want to focus on altcoins. I believe the pump is going to come because if you look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, which sits around $2.21 trillion, we expect it to at least revert back to the mean, and that will see it heading to $3 trillion level, $3.2 trillion to be exact. That will see total crypto market cap giving us around around a 45 to a 50% pump to the upside. Now, these retracement rallies can be very crazy. These retracement rallies can be very deceptive. We have seen them happen in Bitcoin time and time over again. We saw one happen for Bitcoin in 2021. Bitcoin had a dump from all-time highs, and after that dump, a lot of market participants thought the next pump was taking us to the moon, but that was a retracement rally. This was what I was talking about. We saw Bitcoin first dump 27%, then we saw a retracement rally before the big crash came. And even after this big crash came, in quotes, that this big crash in 2021 was a 55% dump, and we still saw Bitcoin recover, going to set new all-time highs. Bitcoin pumped from 21st of June 2021. We saw it set new all-time highs by November. It just took 140 days. This time around, how long will it take Bitcoin? All the time tell. But from where we're currently trading right now, we'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin still maybe come down to that $60,000 level. But fingers are crossed, because the altcoin market is poised to outperform Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, if you look at total 3 and total 2, they all have a bounce back to their 50-week moving average. Most of them will outperform Bitcoin. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency markets, market participants are scared. Extreme levels of fear, according to the Fear and Greed Index. And if you look at news stories going around the markets, Michael Saylor is still buying. The diehard Bitcoin supporter is buying to the end. Michael Saylor hints at strategy 100 Bitcoin buy. Crypto exchange network is helping Russian state sanctions. That's what Epilepsy have to say. By attributing float stimulated transactions to enhance crypto security. Crypto infrastructure companies BitGo named issuer for FYUSD stablecoin, and Bitcoin historic price metric sees 122k average return over 10 months. Guys, remember, Bitcoin has 21 million coins, and the dollar is going to be printed over time. Who knows whether we're in the bottom? My long-term theory is that at some point in time, the nearest future, we'll see Bitcoin below $10,000. But right now, there's crazy level of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. And I'll not be shocked if the season we're entering, that's the season I believe that's going to be for all coins, is where we see Bitcoin underperform while all coins will overperform. And that's why we're still paying attention to the all coin season index. Right now, when we're in all coin season, right now we're in the middle, and all coin months, nope. We're also just in the middle, where a lot of altcoins are down. Bitcoin is also down the last 1 month, 27%. And if you look at the top meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, the last 7 days have been huge dump in the top meme coin markets. Historically, buying during extreme fear, guys, has always been a good decision, and selling during extreme greed has always been a better decision. You're here to play, you're here to buy low, and you're here to sell high. The total meme coin market right now sits around $30 billion. I believe it can go to as high as $300 billion, maybe higher than that. Only time will tell. Total crypto market cap sits around like $2.2 trillion. So in that imaginary future, 10% of the cryptocurrency markets being meme coins, that will be a sign that maybe, just maybe, this is a retracement rally and we're getting ready for the big dump to gobbling town. But right now, you want to pay attention to the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Bitcoin is still the king of the market, and Bitcoin over the last 30 days has lost 27% of its value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is down 36%, XRP is down 29%, BNB is down 33%, Solana is down 39%. Tron, funny enough, has only lost 3% of its value over the last 30 days. Dogecoin is down 25%, and Bitcoin Cash just down 9%. After the dump comes the pump, guys. Don't get carried away. Don't use leverage. The last 24 hours has seen one big whale getting liquidated. According to CoinGlass, in the last 24 hours, 135,000 traders were liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $466 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on HTX. One trader lost $61.51 million. He got liquidated around $63,000. Avoid leverage, guys. That's 3 ways you can get wrecked like a smart guy: by leverage, liquor, and ladies. How has Bitcoin performed in Q1 of 2026? Bitcoin is down 26% of 2020 in Q1 of 2026. Ethereum is down 37%. On a monthly time frame, Bitcoin lost 10% of its value in January. Right now, it's down 17% in February. Hopefully, we'll see that bounce coming out in March. For Ethereum, lost 17% of its value in January, down 24%. Right now, we're on a really long stretch of dumps to gobbling town for Ethereum. It went down in September, October, November, December, January, and February. Odds are, maybe, just maybe, March is when we'll break that streak. Only time will tell how hard that bounce will come. Market participants are bearish. Market sellers still buying Bitcoin. He says he'll continue buying forever. We'll see how that story will end. But right now, the bulls are expecting Bitcoin to make a U-turn. The bears are calling for lower prices, with all coins poised to outperform Bitcoin in the nearest future. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see Bitcoin going when the retracement rally comes? Is altcoin season possible in 2026? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.